Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Jamaica's 2014 Commonwealth Games 400-meter hurdles gold medalist Kaliese Spencer has been cleared to resume her career after winning her anti-doping case against JADCO, which claimed that she refused or evaded to provide a sample in April of 2016.
After holding her proverbial breath for 3 months at the prospect of receiving a 4-year ban for a doping violation, Kaliese Spencer can breathe freely again. JADCO's attorney, Laxton Robinson, had led evidence between May 15 and 16 that the hurdler evaded or refused to provide a sample for testing. But the 3-member independent disciplinary panel, chaired by Kent Gammon, ruled in Spencer's favor.
The decision that we arrived at today was that we were not persuaded, based on the evidence presented, that the athlete Ms. Spencer had committed a breach of Article 2.3 in particular of the Jamaica Anti-Doping Disciplinary Commission rules. And that's the decision that we handed on today in a written set of findings, which I hope will be uploaded to the website of JADCO very soon.
But what swayed the panel to rule unanimously against the JADCO?
The deciding factor was the equivocation that the athlete was properly notified as to the anti-doping violation and the non-compliance with Article 5.0 of the International Standards Testing of water, which is all available in the decision that we'll get once JADCO uploads it.
Spencer, who was represented by American Paul Green, had denied the charges. He told TVJ Sports via FaceTime the case should never have been brought.
I mean, I think it's absolutely ridiculous that they brought the case. I mean, nothing personal to those guys, but my client's life was at stake because of what they did. So they never should have brought the case. Hopefully they'll think long and hard about this the next time, because this is a pretty high-profile loss for them.
The decision means that the 2009 World Championship mile relay silver medalist can now compete at Jamaica's National Senior Championships starting on June 22. Her manager is Marvin Anderson.
From the onset, we believe the legal team, our management team, we believe they're innocent, and we feel good that now she can go back to what she loved doing, and that's running on the track. She has 8 days for her next major competition, which is national trials, and that's where her focus is at. And I'm just happy that she's able to go back on the track and do what she loves.
Spencer is hoping to make Jamaica's team to the IAAF World Championships in London, set for August 4 to 13. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.